Our choice of furniture usually reflects our needs, but our choice of style will reflect the atmosphere we would like to create in the room. So let's have a look at different rooms, and an interesting topic, what can we do for the window area? Because that can totally change the environment and the atmosphere you would like to create. Let's start with bathroom. A bathroom may be an ideal place to introduce a softer touch by including green plants and small still life. The window may also be a good place to introduce plants to create privacy or to hold your good-looking beauty products. You can arrange your favorite perfumes into a still life in a shady bathroom window. It keeps them handy when you want them, and they make a very pretty arrangement. Kitchen. You can make the kitchen window reflect the function of the room by storing practical items arranged in a decorative way. Combine household plants with everyday things you want at hand in the course of the day, like a pretty pestle and mortar, a bowl, a plate of tomatoes ripening in the sun. This will naturally depend on where the window is in relation to the countertop and the table. I love using dried herbs from my garden as a kitchen decoration. Living rooms. Living room windows are often large and they can provide too much natural light. It's a good idea to have double curtains in a living room to avoid the reflection on the TV screen. Depending on your style in the living room, you can use still life with candles, books, and vases. Bedroom. The bedroom is the place where most people can relax, sleep, and start and finish the day. It's a good idea to choose curtains for the bedroom windows that are made of heavy fabric, so they will soundproof the room and keep the light out. A floor-to-ceiling curtain on a rail or rod will allow you to shut out the light when it's time to sleep. Certain plants produce oxygen at night, contributing to a good night's rest. If you don't have the chance to hang your curtains high, close to the ceiling, you can also install some shelves above the window frame and decorate with hanging plants and picture frames and some maybe paintings. Study room. Position your computer screen where it will get less glare from the sun. It's hard to choose curtains that will look good in a home office. You should consider factors like the direction of the room faces and the color of the furniture in the room. In the study room, pens, brushes, and rulers can be used to make models on a windowsill. If you use objects that naturally belong in the room, as well as things that are related to your hobbies or favorite things, it will make you feel better when you are working there. Make sure you include plants and position the table looking at the window if you can. Biophilic design research shows that this will increase your productivity. Kids' room. When children are small, the kind of things we usually use to design the window can be a problem, such as plants. It's easy for a child to knock it down while opening and closing the curtains. So it's better to use window sills for special toys, books, Legos, puzzles. Kids' room gives you opportunity to be creative and try things that you wouldn't try for the rest of the house. This will encourage your child to be creative too. Maybe even give them opportunity to decorate the window area.